Nextflow methods and operators help us build workflows. Channels carry data, processes do the work, and results come out at the end. Methods create and organize the data stream, while processes run tools like FastQC, trimming, alignment, and counting. Channels are streams of data in Nextflow. We can create them from values, file paths, lists, or paired FASTQ files. For example, channeled from path collects FASTQ files and sends them into the workflow. Channel operators can change or select data as it flows. Map transforms each item, filter keeps matching items, and flat map expands data. In this example, numbers 1 to 4 are multiplied by 2, producing 2, 4, 6, and 8. Sometimes we need to connect multiple channels. Operators like combine, join, mix, and concat help merge data sources. Here, names and scores are combined, creating every possible name-score pair. These operators clean and summarize channel output. Unique removes duplicates, sort orders values, and counts items. In this example, repeated numbers become a clean sorted output: 1, 2, and 3. Process directives tell Nextflow what resources a process needs. We can request CPUs, memory, runtime, containers, and executors. For example, the align process asks for 8 CPUs, 16 GB memory, and 2 hours to run. Execution directives control how jobs behave. Publish dir saves outputs, tag names jobs, error strategy handles failures, max retries failed jobs, and cache reuses previous results to save time. Process sections define what goes into a process, what comes out, and what command runs. Input declares files, output declares results, and script runs the bash command. Together, they tell Nextflow exactly what to do. Workflow functions connect processes together. Workflow defines the pipeline, take, accepts inputs, main, runs steps, and emit, returns outputs. This makes the workflow easier to organize, reuse, and understand. File functions help Nextflow work with files. File references one file, files references many files, and path handles file paths. These functions make sure files are passed correctly between workflow steps. Built-in functions help monitor and control a pipeline. Print1 prints messages, log info writes logs, sleep pauses execution, and assert checks conditions. They make debugging easier and pipeline safer. Calling a process is simple. FastQC sends reads into FastQC, then trimming, alignment, and counting can follow. Each process receives input channels and produces output channels, building a complete analysis pipeline.